I mean, wow! Hello girls! How are you today? I hope that you're doing and enjoying your life pretty cool, pretty awesome. And for today's video girls, we're talking about some FOCALLURE makeup products. Okay, etong FOCALLURE na to, this is from China guys. And you can buy this at Shopee. Meron silang store doon. I bought this from Shopee by the way. Ito yung eyeshadow na kasama dun sa set. Actually, yung binili ko, it's a set from FOCALLURE. And girl, it's just 485. And I'm shook like that, ganun. Kasi sabi ko, oh wow ha? 485 lang to ang with 7 items. Girl, nakakaloka. 7 items for 185. It's almost complete set of makeup and you have this kind of eyeshadow and the packaging looks pretty decent. Ito yung box na, okay. So, okay naman siya. May ganito din siya. Oh, so, para rin siyang mid-end na itsura. So, ayan, girl. It looks pretty nice. Tapos, meron pa siyang protector for the eyeshadow. Ito yung mga eyeshadow color. Ayan, girls, you can see it looks pretty awesome. And it has a mirror, which I love. Yung mirror niya, may protector din. Ayan, ang ganda, di ba? Magagamit, girl. Ang ganda. Ang ganda lang niya. First impression, good. And then, I have here my concealer. Binuksan ko na lahat to save time. So, and then, I have here Bomb Lashes mascara, and then this eyeliner again from FOCALLURE, and then syempre my matte lipstick from FOCALLURE in the shade Fuzzy Wuzzy, and then I have here also this blush on in the shade 405. I think this is cool. Yun nga lang, sayang sana may mirror siya. Pero okay lang. Yung itsura niya, yung size niya, parang kasing laki nung kay Vice. And, yung amoy. Walang amoy. So, ayun. So, I have my foundation and my kilay since wala naman ako in-order ng foundation sa kanila. And I just want to try out this, their set, kung maganda ba talaga. Kasi it's just 485. Itong concealer na girls, mukhang maputi. Wow! So, girl, meron akong nunal dito. Try natin kung matatakpan na. Ooh, wow. Takpan niya ha. In fairness. So, ganda. It has a good, decent coverage sa swatching. So, let's try to apply this out. I'm scared! Pag hindi maganda to, pwede niyang masira yung aking look for today. Yung aking foundation. Woo! It has a pink undertone, which I'm not fan of a pink undertone. I don't like foundation or anything na may pink undertone kasi mapula na ako. Mas lalo pa akong magmumukhang mapula kapag ginamit ko pang foundation or concealer may pink undertone. Girl, it has that brightening effect. Yun nga lang, sobrang puti. Okay, it blended smoothly. Let's use this blush. So, ayun, girl. I don't know kung pigmented to. Swatch ko muna para makita nyo. So, ito siya, girls. Oh, wow! This is really pigmented, girl. Soft touch lang tayo. Girl. This is really pigmented. A little bit patchy for me. Sobrang onti lang, girl. Kasi sobrang pigmented niya. And you don't like to look like a clown. So, onting-onti lang talaga. Ang ganda. Maganda naman tong blush on. So, kailangan ko bawasan to. This is way too heavy blush for me. It's matte. Wala siya masyadong shimmer. It's really matte. This is a matte blush on. Girls, correction lang kanina. It has 6 products, okay? Akala ko 7 products siya, but it's just 6 products, okay? So, let's proceed now with this palette. Okay, I will not swatch everything. You want me to swatch everything? So, okay, let's see. So, let's go with this first layer first. Some mattes are a little bit patchy. And it's kind of powdery. I will not swatch everything, girls. Girls, I'll just make a separate video for this para sa swatching and everything. Kasi baka maubos yung oras natin. Mag-swatch lang ako ng onte. Some of the colors looks pretty good. Some of them looks like patchy. And some here looks pretty cool. Lalo na yung mga shimmer shades nila. It's pretty cool, yet powdery, girl. I'll just put this in my face and I will not make so glam look with this, but like a soft and natural look. I'll be using this salmon. Okay, this is pigmented, girl. So girls, we're having a pink eyeshadow situation right now and it's pretty cool. Oh girl, look at the one. It's really huge. Let's see. It has a thin formulation. FOCALLURE, what are you doing? I mean, yes! This mascara is really a bomb. This is bomb blushes, by the way, girls. I'm having this moment. I'm shook. Girls, I will use this lipstick. By the way, girls, ang sabi doon online, it's a liquid lip gloss, but ang dumating sa akin is matte lips. So, I don't know why is it like that. So, this is the applicator. Same with their concealer. Ganito din yung applicator. So, let's try. I'm having a Barbie moment right now. So girls, this is the final look ng FOCALLURE. I mean, the concealer, it really is good for concealing and brightening. Yes, girl, natakpan niya aking mga dark under eye. Nga lang, girl, sad to say, hindi ko pwedeng piliin yung mga shade ng concealer. Pero yung lipstick, pwede mong piliin. Well, yung concealer, girl, I'm shook. Ang ganda. Natakpan niya yung under eye ko and then may brightening effect ng onte. So, I'm good. I like this concealer. I like this liquid concealer ng FOCALLURE. And then, girl, this 18 eyeshadows. You can see, ang ganda ng pinalabasan. Ang ginamit ko pala dito is this one, this garnet. Girl, ang ganda nito. Sobrang ganda. I mean, yes, please, girl. Wow. And then, ang ginamit ko, this pink. Yes. Yes. And then, this wine. Itong wine, ginamit ko. Girl, yes. And then, ginamit kong transition shade, itong salmon. Which, girl, I love this. I mean, itong moonlight, it's kind of hit and miss for me. Itong moonlight, kailangan ko pa siya parang i-push sa limit niya. Ayan, binrake in ko na siya talaga para makuha ko yung full use niya. And so far, it's really good. Yan. Diba? Ang ganda ng moonlight. So, I'm loving this palette. Yun nga lang, guys. Ang napansin ko kay FOCALLURE, this is, yes, 18 palettes. Yun nga lang, marami nga lang siyang similar shades, which I'm gonna show you, like this terracotta, this red shade, and then this wine. It's almost pretty the same, right? It's almost the same color. And then, itong salmon, again. Dalawa yung salmon dito. Salmon na ganitong shimmer, and then salmon na matte. So, yun. Parehas yung main niya. Sana magkaiba. Ito looks similar. Ito looks similar. And then ito, it looks also similar. Itong salmon, and then this one looks pretty the same color. This one, the wine, and then this terracotta looks pretty the same as well. This one, ruby and rose gold, it looks really the same. As you can see, this was a Abuse palette because I tip on here and there, swatching out. So far, I'm loving this palette. Yun nga lang, marami siyang similar shades, which I don't think na sana FOCALLURE, sana mabigyan tayo ng mas ibang shade bukod doon. Although magkakalapit siya, yun nga lang kasi sa pag-shimmer, hindi mo na masabi kapag nasa mata mo na siya. Pag-shimmer, almost the same shade na rin siya. So, ayun. Yun lang yung cons ko dito sa palette na to. And it's powdery, girls. Pero hindi naman siya nagkaroon ng... I didn't have any problems. Wala naman ako mga masyadong fallout nung ina-apply ko siya. Nung sinuswatch ko siya, girls, this is really powdery. Pero nung ina-apply ko na, minimal lang naman yung fallout. Wala naman masyado. So, I don't have any issues with that. And then, this comes with a big palette. And then, with this mirror, which I'm impressed. Okay, girls. Yung itsura niya, di ba? Mukha siyang mamahaling eyeshadow. And the texture. And ang ganda na nagawa ko dito. This one. This is worth it. Promise. And then, itong lipstick niya, girl. This one is transfer proof. So, ang ganda nitong matte na to. It's transfer proof. Let's see kung nagka-crack ba siya. Yun lang, medyo mas na-emphasize niya yung dryness sa lips ko. Which, not so-so. Not too much. Pero, makikita mo na parang dry talaga yung lips ko. Although talagang dry yung lips ko. Pero if you don't have any issues with dry lips, then girl, I think this one is for you. But this is, I don't hate this, okay? It's just that I don't love this. So, nasa gitna lang tayo dyan. And then, itong mascara nila, girl. Up close. Talagang, it looks like my heroin make mascara yung finish sa akin, ha? Para siyang heroin make. Ang ganda. Etong Bomb Lashes, girl, this is really good. Para siyang yung heroin make ko. Pero syempre, observe ko pa rin kung talagang ganun, if it will last all day. Kasi heroin make ko, it lasts all day. Yung kanyang consistency, very light, kaya hindi bumababa yung lashes. And it stays in place na naka-curl siya ng ganyan. And I'm loving this lashes. FOCALLURE, what are you doing? You're doing pretty good. And this FOCALLURE eyeliner, girl, it has a good tip. And kahit may shimmer yung mata ko, hindi ako nahihirapan i-glide ito. It glides very smooth. I mean, merong iba kasi kapag may mascara, hindi na siya nag-push through. Kailangan mo na talaga siyang i-push ng ganyan. But this one, girl, is so black, so good. And the tip, ang dali niya i-glide. Sobrang smooth. Ang ganda ng formulation nitong FOCALLURE na to. Itong eyeliner nila. I'm loving their formulation. And then this blush on, I have no problem with this blush on. Yun nga lang, matte siya. So, kailangan mo talaga maglagay ng highlighter just to highlight something in your face kasi sobrang matte nito. But the color, this one, patchy siya nung sinwatch ko. But when I blended it out with my brush, it looks good and it does the job. So, I'm so happy with how it came up. I'm looking like a Barbie right now and I'm super confident with myself, like looking like a Barbie because of the pink eyeshadow. I'm looking for a pink eyeshadow and this one is really cool, right? I'm loving the look. I'm so impressed with the price point. It's $485 and look at this look, girl. You can say no for $485 because ganito kaganda yung look. Bet ko lahat ito and that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video, so hit the thumbs up button. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and yung katabi, yung ring or yung bell button para ma-update ka sa susunod kong mga kagandahang videos. So stay tuned, guys, dahil marami pa tayong mga re-reviewin na products. And see you again, guys, for my next kagandahang videos. Bye!